The Auto Pressure System, or APS, from TechSource integrates a rechargeable lithium-ion pressure head along with adapters for various brands of tanks, either TechSource STS or Aero5 tanks, B&G Masterline, and or Viserys model tanks. Work with any of the two adapters that we have designed for these tanks. What this system allows you to do is auto pressure either model of tank in a way that doesn't require any more manual pumping of either tank to obtain 20 psi consistently in either model. The TechSource STS is currently filled with water for demonstration purposes. To install the auto pressure system, remove the cylinder and place the adapter and thread it into place, and give it a hand tight to make sure it seals. It's important to note you can fill and empty the tank through both models of adapters. They do not need to be removed. And now you can thread the pressure head onto the adapter and press the on button. A green light will show the device is on. And here on the pressure meter, you can see the pressure increase within the tank. And we'll show you again. We'll release some of the pressure while the device is on, and you can hear the device kick in to increase the pressure within the tank back up to 20 psi. And to turn the device off, simply press the same button and the green light will turn off, indicating the device is no longer on. And here you can see how even and consistent the spray pattern is when using the auto pressure system. With any type of spray pattern, the auto pressure system will keep the pressure at 20 psi and will also release some of the pressure, so you can see it come back up to 20 psi again. And you can continue using the sprayer while the auto pressure system is putting pressure into the tank. Due to the robust design of the auto pressure system, it makes it very durable, so you can pick up, carry, and use it like you would a standard manual tank. To charge the pressure head, first make sure the device is off, then bleed out all of the pressure and remove the pressure head. It can then be charged through a standard socket here on the charging port that is located on the side of the pressure head. We also have our plug, so once we're charging our head or we have to remove our head for different services, we can then plug the adapter itself. And the adapter now allows us to leave our tank plugged, and we can then switch to a different tank with either a different chemical or perhaps a different truck or a different technician. We can then thread, in this case, our B&G adapter onto our tank. For the other tank adapter, there is a space here so you can put the tank gasket into it. That way the adapter will seal properly against the tank. With our tank gasket now seated into our adapter, we are ready to thread our adapter onto the tank. And we'll make that hand tight as well. And then we can simply thread our head on again. Which then allows us to pressurize our tank in a way. The difference with this and the other unique part is our B&G has a pressure release valve, so it actually allows us to bleed the pressure out of our B&G without having to take off the head. It's not required on our other tank because it has a pressure release valve on it, and we can actually bleed the pressure off at any given time from our tank, whether we're using our power adapter and or just our manual pump here at the bottom. The B&G obviously doesn't come standard with that, so this is actually part of the add-on for the adapter. It allows you to unpressure the tank, so that then you can safely remove the pressure head from the tank once you're done using it. And that is the auto pressure system by TechSource.